أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين. قال أمير المؤمنين عليه السلام افعلوا الخير ولا تحقروا منه شيئا. The Imam Ali alayhi salam said in Nahj al-Balagha, you should do all the good and do not accept everything that is a little. The same situation in the Quran, the Allah is saying to the people, fastabiqul khairat, everybody should do the good before the other person. And in the other verse he said, وَصَارِعُوا عَلَى مَغْفِرَةٍ مِّن رَبِّكُمْ وَجَنَّةٍ أَرْضُ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضِ. You should hurry up for the forgiving and for the paradise. And the Imam alayhi salam telling to us, everything in our religion, our beliefs are the best thing in our life. Adopting the belief of oneness of Allah, adopting the belief of prophecy of the Holy Prophet, adopting the belief of imamat of leaders, our leaders, Imam, 12 Imams, the belief of hereafter, the day of the judgment, and adopting and doing the prayer, and also acting upon the fast and pilgrim, paying the zakat and the khums, and ordering to the persons about the good things. All these things are the good deeds. Imam alayhi salam is saying to us, we should not leave any little good thing. If that good thing in our approach, we should do after paying our must and compulsory wajibat, we should do and adopt the mustahabbat, and we should not leave any little good thing. The Quran is also saying, فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَى. Everybody, if he is doing a very little thing, he will see on the day of the judgment. وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَى. Everybody, if he is doing a very little bad thing, he will see on the day of the judgment. After narrating the Quran, after saying the Imam Ali alayhi salam, we should not waste our life. If we want the bright future in this life and in hereafter, we should not leave all good deeds. We should struggle. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa